So good morning everyone. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. By the way, it's very cold morning. So I hope guys you all are doing well. This is me Rudra Dharwa, a trainer of this institute. So thank you so much for visiting our channel Village English Institute. So watch this video till the end. Today I'm going to discuss over some questions with him, and he is also very eager to answer all my questions and to discuss with me. So guys, by watching this video till the end, even you can improve a lot of things in English. You can also build your confidence. You can also learn. If you would like to tell us anything, then you can let us know in comment box. But please guys, do one single comment in comment box. Your one single comment motivates us to speak English and to do so many things in English. Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You're ready.
Yes, I am ready.
You're ready.
Yes.
Okay, so when I will ask you questions, any kind of question I will ask you,
Yes.
pay attention on my question, then understand, then answer. So, are you comfortable?
Yes, I am comfortable.
You're comfortable. That's great. It sounds good. So, would you like to introduce about yourself
Yes, I introduce.
loudly, little bit loudly?
Good morning, everyone.
Hmm.
Thank you so much for having me here. At first, I would like to thank to our Mr. Dharwa sir to give me this opportunity to speak something. Now, I am very excited and happy also. For the first time, I have been given this opportunity to speak something. Well, my name is Shubham Nag. That's all.
Okay, that's nice. So, when did you come to this tuition today?
I am come to.
I came.
I came to the tuition at 7 o'clock.
7 o'clock. That's fantastic. You know that we all have friends in our life.
Yes.
So, do you have friends?
Yes, I have friends. Many friends I have.
Hmm?
Some friends use positive and
Some friends are good, some friends are bad. That you
Yes.
are trying to say.
some friends are good, some friends are bad.
So, how do you behave with bad friends? Hmm? Who always think about negativity, who always do wrong works. So, how do you deal with them?
I deal
Mhm.
with him,
With them.
with them by playing anything
Hmm?
and by playing anything and talking with.
Talking with them.
Yes,
That's fantastic. Do you like to spend your time with your both type of friends, positive and negative friends?
yes, I like to
Spend.
spend time, but uh, many time I spend in my good friend.
Okay, mostly you like to spend your time with your good friends.
Yes,
Do your good friends help you? Because as far as I know about friends, I have also friends, but who drink alcohol, who do some kind of negative works, who do some kind of wrong work, they help us a lot. Means when we are in a big trouble, big dilemma, that time good friends do not come because they'll, I don't know why they do not come that time, because they are afraid of something. What if something happens to them? That by thinking this is do not come. But in that case, bad friends always ready and always ahead to help people and to help me. So what about you? Do your good friends help you in your problem or not?
yes, my good friends
Hmm?
help me always,
And
but my bad friends not help me anything.
a little bit opposite to me, your friends. Okay, that's nice. Means your good friends help you. Okay, that's very nice. So you know that nowadays, to fresh our mind and to entertain, we watch some kind of movies. We watch on mobile phone and we watch on TV as well. So first of all, tell me, do you watch movie?
Yes, I watch movie,
Hmm?
many kind of
Movies.
movies now release the Pushpa 2 movie
Yeah,
also.
it has been released. Pushpa 2, yeah, recently, yeah.
Yes,
I watched.
I watched that very soon.
Where do you watch movie? On mobile phone or on television?
I watch on mobile phone.
Your mobile phone. But you know, it's a kind of different kind of happiness by watching movie on television because it is bigger screen than mobile phone. But yeah, of course, we can watch movie by holding mobile phone very close to our eyes. Okay, but that is not good. But then also the kind of happiness and the kind of it's very interesting to watch movie on mobile phone, but it is very much interesting to watch movie on television. So why do you not watch on TV?
Yes, I watch
Hmm?
in television, but nowadays our television is not
Working.
working. That is why I watch in mobile phone.
You watch on mobile phone.
Yes,
How often do you watch movie?
I watch
Hmm?
something sometime.
Sometime.
I watch sometime.
Means I think when you are free, because now you are a student and during the day you cannot watch movie because you are in your school. But when you are free, when you return from your school at night or in the evening, I think you might be watching movie.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice. So one more question I would like to ask you related to this movie. What type of movie do you mostly like to watch? I mean, Bollywood, Tollywood, Hollywood.
I like the most
Hmm?
Bollywood movie.
Bollywood movie. Who is your favorite actor?
Ram Charan.
Ram Charan.
Yes.
Yeah, but he does not belong to our Bollywood industry. But nowadays he is making our Bollywood movie, but he doesn't. Okay,
Yes.
that's fine. Okay, so nowadays, you know, to get something, to get benefits in our life, we worship exactly. I don't think that we have positiveness and we have that devotion within us to worship to any God. But nowadays, to get advantage from God, I think we worship. Exactly, it happens. So what about you? Do you first of all tell me, do you worship or not?
Yes, I worship to
You worship.
God.
Yeah. How often do you worship? How often?
I worship in Shiv temple and Krishna temple.
Krishna temple. How often? Every day or only on Monday or every week or every month or what?
I
Yeah, occasionally. Kabhi kabar. Occasionally.
I worship occasionally.
Occasionally. Okay. You know, just earlier I mentioned that to take advantage we worship to God, like to get boon from them, to get blessing, to get blessing we worship to God. So what about you? Why do you worship to God?
Because
Hmm?
because God is making us, and
God has made us.
God has made us.
Hmm.
We we do not worship them. Then which person we worship?
Yeah, means we have been given this life because of God, and if we don't worship them, whom to worship?
Yes.
Yeah, but you know, our parents have given us this life, so our parents are our
God.
God. So of course we must worship them.
Yes.
That's very nice. So we are talking about those gods whom we have never seen, who are only in our imagination, whom we have seen only on movie. Okay. So which God do you believe in?
I
Mhm.
I believe Mahadev.
You believe in Lord Mahadev?
Mahadev.
Yeah, Lord Shiv. Yeah, that's good. Lord, to worship to Lord Shiv and to believe in Lord Shiv means, you know, you have to worship on every Monday. So what about you? Do you worship on every Monday or not?
No,
Hmm?
I have not.
You do not worship.
Yes.
Okay, but you believe.
Yes, I
And you know, one more question I would like to ask you, because you are a devotee of Lord Shiv. you know, there is a month comes in a year, which is Shravan month, and throughout that Shravan month, we worship and we become devotee of Lord Shiv. There are so many rules and regulations which we have to follow if we worship properly, with full, means with full attentively and with full rule and regulation. So, do you follow that Shravan month or not?
Yes, I follow the Shravan month because many many people follow that
Shravan month. That is why you also follow.
Yes.
Okay, means do you follow all the guidelines of that Shravan month or not? Means you cannot eat other kind of foods. If you go outside, then you have to take a bath, and we eat chapati. Do you follow that month with full guidelines, or only few guidelines, only few rules you just follow?
I follow only
Few rules.
Yes.
Okay, it sounds good. So one more last question I would like to ask you. How do you practice your English? This is a very good question because this question will help to others as well. If you can speak English at this age, then there are so many people who are afraid of learning English and who are afraid of speaking English. They think it's a rocket science to speak, to enhance, to improve. So I want to ask you, how do you practice your English?
When I speak for the first time, I speak. That time I very nervous.
Okay, you was nervous.
Yes, I was nervous, and that day I practice in mirror.
Okay, you practiced in front of mirror.
Yes. When I practice in mirror, that time my confidence is grow,
Okay,
and that time
and gradually you improved your English and now you can speak.
Yes.
Means you are trying to say that you did not have confidence and you were not practicing with any of your friends.
Yes.
Means only you used to stand in front of mirror and practicing. That's great. And gradually you enhanced your confidence as well.
Yes.
Oh, that sounds good. Okay. So how should we practice? How should we practice?
many people practice.
Practice, not practice. Practice. Yeah.
They practice in his teacher,
Okay, with his teacher.
and friend also, but they know his teacher and friend. That time they do not nervous.
They are not nervous.
They are not nervous.
Yeah.
When they
Speak English
speak English
with
in front of camera, that time they nervous
Very much.
Very much.
So,
That problem solution
okay, what the solution?
in front of mirror.
In front. That the solution is to practice in front of mirror.
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for coming here. Okay, thank you.